All right, hello and welcome to the Luvora vendor dashboard tutorial. So in this video, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know, from navigating through your dashboard to adding your products, managing orders, and updating inventory, and also making the best out of your Luvora account, right? So to get started, once you're logged in into your Luvora account, you just scroll down to the bottom and you see store, right? Once you click on it, it should open up for you. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You have your name over here, the name of your store and the category of your store. Then you also have your order details. Then this is your total earnings, earnings that you have throughout your stay on with Luvora. Then this here shows the total number of orders that you've ever received, and this shows the total number of products that you've listed out on the Luvora platform. And this over here shows the number of orders that you have. Then you have quick actions here. You have your add product card, the view orders card, manage products and earnings. Then this here shows the recent orders that you have gotten. Okay, and over here on my left is the menu bar. It's also have the links to these other places. So let's start with the add products section, right? So when you click on the add product section, it opens up for you to add your products. Okay, so let's say what we want to add. We want to add flowers, for example, right? Then you select the category of your product and you select flowers or plants, right? So what is going to be the short description of your flower? Let's say scented artificial roses. All right. Scented artificial roses. Then you can write a bunch of descriptions. Big scented artificial roses for her. It will blah blah blah, stuffs like that, right? And you come down to the pricing and stock. Here allows you to set your price, and if you're actually doing a discount price and the available quantity, or add if variant. So if your product has variant, you toggle this on. So what we mean by adding variant is if there are different sizes of your product. For example, you have a flower and the size, let's say 2x3 size, has a certain amount. The 5x3 size have a certain amount. 6x6 size have a certain amount. Then that is what you're going to do here. You're going to set the name and the size of that variant and the price and how much you have in quantity, like that. And here you can actually add up to 10 variants per product, right? 10 variants per product. But we do not want to set variants, just want to put the price, discount price, and the stock quantity. So let's say the price of our flowers is 50,000. Then the discount price we want to sell it for is, let's say, 48,000, right? Then how many do we have in stock? Just say 10. So we have 10, and then we can select the images. Okay, so these are my flower image here. These are the images, as you can see, and they are available. You make sure this is always on if they are available, and then you publish product, right? So you add the product and you wait for it to publish on the store. Okay, so it has been published, and now we can see in our manage product section that we have products available. We have category, you have the price, the status of the product, and the availability, right? So over here you can edit the product. You can change the name, you can change the category, the short description, long description. Then if the product has variant, you can actually edit it from here and add, or you leave it like that and the stock quantity and it's available, right? You can also delete it if you want. Then the view orders is going to show you the orders that you have received. All right, just give me a minute to simulate an order and so you see how to manage the orders. All right, so I just finished simulating the order, and the flour that we had initially added. Now let's say that there is an order for that flour, right? So when you come to your vendor's dashboard and you come to view orders, if you just log into your dashboard, you are going to see it already. Recent orders is going to show there, and you also be notified via email of a pending order or of a new order. So once you come in, you can either go from here to view all the orders, or you use the taskbar on the side, right? So here you see the details of the order, the quantity of the items being ordered. Mind you, from each order you would only receive items that are unique to you. So if a user or a customer orders for several items, and inside those items that the customer ordered for, you only have 2 items inside that he ordered from you, that is what you are going to receive. If you click on this eye icon here, you're going to see the details of the order. You see the name and the quantity, the amount that you had set to sell, and you're going to see the destination. Right? This is how it is going to be, not the exact address of the customer, not the phone number of the recipient or whatever, because that's the delivery aspect will be handled by Luvora itself, right? So you see the order summary, and you're going to see the item total and this. Now you have an update status here, and this is very, very important for the order fulfillment officer that is going to manage the orders that are coming in. So once you receive an order, it is advisable to start working on that order as quickly as possible. It is advisable to start working on that order as quickly as possible. So the moment you begin to get the order prepared or begin to arrange the order, you have to change the status. You have to come to your dashboard and change the status to preparing, right? And save. So once you change the status to preparing and save, it is going to notify the order fulfillment officer rather, that you have started preparing for this order. You have started putting things in place to get the order ready. So the moment the order is ready, you just change the status to ready as well. It is also going to notify the fulfillment officer that, hey, this order is ready. Okay, it's going to notify the fulfillment officer that this order is ready, and then immediately we will make arrangements to come pick it up, or our rider or the dispatch will come immediately to pick up this order from you. Okay, they will come immediately to pick up this order from you, and once they have picked up the okay, give me a minute. Once they have picked up the other item from you, or this particular item, you are going to see that the status will change. It will change from ready to picked up. Once we have picked it up, it will change to picked up. And if you come here, you will not be able to change the order status again. It will tell you that this order is picked up, no further changes allowed. So that is it. Very easy and easy for you to do. Mind you, you only receive orders of a successful payment. So once a customer places an order on the platform and makes payment, and the payment is successful, you would only receive that order once the payment is successful, right? Then if you come down to the earnings page, let's wait for it to load. So this is your earnings section, right? This section shows your total lifetime earnings, everything you've been earning since the day you signed up to be a vendor on Luvora. Then this section shows you what you have earned for the month, and the total orders here that you have delivered, that is the ones that have been picked up and has delivered, it to show up. And here shows you your pending amount, right? So this place also is going to show you your recent transactions, and here is also going to show you your pending payout. So here it's saying expected payments is supposed to be Friday 3rd July 2026. It's usually every week, but I think it's going to be usually on a Mondays, right? Either on a Monday or on Tuesday for the previous week, right? So your earnings for the previous week will be paid either on a Monday or on a Tuesday of the next week, right? Then you can also check your earnings for this week, for this month, or for the entire year as usual. And here it is going to show you the commission you have received for the week, the commission that was paid to the platform for the week, and the net to you, and the entirety. Okay, the network is quite bad. But either ways, I think this is just it, right? So you can also edit your profiles here. You can edit the name of your store, your business email, and your category, your city, state, and your banking information, which is most importantly. I'm sure you would have filled this in during your application. So that is how you can make use or make the best use of your vendor platform. All right, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.